What does add pot mean on my Ninja Foodi? So to be able to cook anything in your Ninja Foodi, you need to have the grey pot in the bottom. So all functions require this, and then you can go ahead and select whatever function you wish and start cooking. Just make sure that your pot is fully in and that it is sitting just like this. There will be a little gap, but if you've got a bigger gap, it could be that maybe your pot has become warped. Maybe you've dropped it. That has happened to me. Or if it's still showing add pot and you know that that is sitting in there nicely and that you are able to close the lid, then there may be an error there. So that's when you would need to contact Ninja.